Okay, now it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so let us welcome Sri Priya Madam to the stage.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, Aruna ma'am, and thank you, Krishna Kumar sir, for welcoming me on stage. I think I'm audible, sir. My voice is audible, clear.
Something is creating a lot of noise. I don't know whether
Okay, some disturbance. Okay, so let me just go outside of my room and then present so that my camera will be off so that my voice will be very much audible. I think it is okay, sir. Like
let
videos
us
too.
try. I think it is probably something wrong with your microphone. That's what
Okay.
we'll try. Okay.
So I think good morning, everyone. I'm Shri Priya, Principal, Shivarana Public School, Palakkad. Now is it audible? Are you able to hear me, sir?
No,
Everyone?
it's very bad, Sri Priya. Maybe
That's okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay,
cannot
fine.
hear. There's a lot of background noise.
Okay. Okay, fine, everyone. I am Shri Priya. I just will shift my place so that you can visible. It will be audible for you very clearly. And since it is an interior area in Palakkad, I think there may be some range issue. That is what I meant. And I think now it is quite clear, sir. My voice is
Yes,
clear.
now it is better. Please go ahead.
Yes, yes, that is what. So that I can stay outside and means change. So, good morning and namaste all. I think my topic for presentation is blended learning for modern education, and it is very clear that first of all I just want to say start from education. What is about education? Mahatma Gandhi ji, by education he meant that drawing out the best of an individual from the body, mind and soul. So what is best will be for us the best forever. And education, we mean that all thoughtfully lived life will be called as education. So all these aspects are very important before we move into the blended learning. Krishna Kumar sir, I think it is audible for everyone. Clarity is there?
We can hear you, but do you have a presentation to share?
Yes, sir. Next, you can please start the presentation. That is the first slide. Can you please share the presentation, sir?
Yeah, just a moment, please.
Yes.
Just a moment.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, I'm in your title slide.
Yes, yes, sir. I can see it. I can also see it. Thank you, sir. And coming to the presentation, before going to the presentation, let me have the understanding of the cute and little word blend. The word blend is so cute and it can be meant as to fuse, to mix, to merge, to combine. It has so many beautiful meanings, and as we all know, learning is a continuous process. And blended learning, by combining all the methods of teaching, models of teaching, we will be able to educate the students well. And that comes under the sustainable education, where we preserve the education with values and culture of everything. Now, everyone knows in the current scenario, we undergo online learning, isn't it? So, online learning is going on. It is sustainably protected for the development of future education. So lovely it is. So, all we do now is online learning. In future we expect the offline learning, the classroom instruction, everything is interconnected and it becomes the blended learning. Now with IGL, how we collaborate, US, we are in India, how we are dealt with the current scenario, it is for the global well-being. This program, this webinar is also a blended learning for everyone, as Aruna Ma'am beautifully presented about playing a key role in education, about college students. I'm a school principal, but wherever the learners are, they are very important. So as educators, we remind, we mold the faculty members also, we mold the students also, and this blended learning remains the cornerstone of all areas. In a simple manner, blended learning is a combination of face-to-face learning and online learning. Now, let us move to the elements of blended learning. Elements of blended learning, the next slide. Can you please move on to the next slide, sir? Yes, that is very beautifully represented here. Every teacher should know the different methods of teaching, whatever may be the level of teaching, whether it is primary or secondary, senior secondary, college, or like hands-on, whatever may be the means teaching level, the elements are very important. Let us take, for example, differentiated instruction. What is meant by differentiated instruction? A teacher, while addressing her students, will have to teach considering all the levels of students, maybe slow learners, maybe fast learners, average learners, whoever may be the learners. Every learner should be considered in the heart of the teacher. That is what we say usually, teach from the heart, head, hand, and mind. That usually becomes blended. So that is called as personalized learning also, because depending on the needs of the learner, a teacher is planning for the class. And the virtual classroom instruction may be there, but it should be in alignment with the direct instruction also during the offline modes. A balance between the virtual and classroom instruction is very much important. And every sort of blended learning is focused on the learner, and it is adaptable and authentic also. Now, coming about the curriculum is the totality of experiences, and it is future focused. And this assessment will be based on all these elements, as all elements are blended together. That is beautifully represented by means of various cycles of blended learning as the elements are focused. Here with this, we can have different methods of teaching, models of teaching, context, concept, whatever we wish to add as elements. It's purely innovative and creativity of the learner. That may be included in elements of blended learning based on the ability of the teacher also. Next slide, sir. I think my voice is audible, sir, without breaking.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes. Okay, thank you, sir. Next is, I think, multifaceted education. It is a beautiful word, isn't it? Multifaceted education. What is meant by that? What is the framework behind it? Alternative and innovative education. This 21st century focuses on four skills mainly: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity. And when the education is flexible, every learner will be eager to learn, and it will be called